Well, if we want somebody who has a lot of experience in foreign policy, we can simply go to the State Department and pluck out one of the tens of thousands of people who work there. But that's not how we choose a president. A president is not a foreign policy expert. This is, without question, our #1 geopolitical foe.
Would you need to go to Congress to get authorization to take military action against Iran's nuclear facilities?
You sit down with your attorneys and tell you what you have to do. You know, we're going to let the lawyers sort out what he needed to do and what he didn't need to do.
Says no, what do you do?
For a person running for the president of the United States to get on TV and say, we're going to go into your country unilaterally.
It's not worth moving heaven and earth, spending billions of dollars just trying to catch one person. He was referring to the hunt for Osama bin Laden. What did he mean by that? Because it's generated a little controversy, given Osama bin Laden's role in killing, 3,000 Americans on 9/11.
Well, if we want somebody who has a lot of experience in foreign policy, we can simply go to the State Department.